Hi guys, meron akong vlog ngayon guys, no. Ito bird na galing Indonesia. No, SOCL 506 plus po ito guys, no. Iyon no. Iyon, kompleto siya guys. Tsaka okay yung board niya. At output transistor na lang yung kulang dito guys. No? Yun guys, oh ang ganda. Parang lakas kaya to guys. Tignan natin guys, no, meron ako mag-wiring ako guys. Yun na guys, oh yun, meron ng heatsink, tsaka nilagyan ko ito guys ng soft start. Yun, soft start, galing din yan guys, Shopee lang yan guys. Line in to 20, tsaka output to 20. Yun na. Tsaka yan yung transformer guys. Wala kasi akong toroidal na transformer. At ito yung mga output niya guys. 57057. Ayan. 015 tsaka 06 volts. Ayan. Tsaka ito yung guys. Transformer. I mean capacitor niya guys. Pala to guys, no? Galing ito sa ibang amplifier na sira. Binili ko. Tapos ito yung gamitin ko pang testing guys. Yun. 80 volts tsaka 12,000 yung microfarad guys. And then ito guys, fusible. And then positive. And then negative yung guys. Tsaka magkatabi lang sila sa speaker output guys. Yan. San. Ang linis ng board guys. Tsaka meron tong guys, clip indicator, tsaka signal indicator, at tsaka power. Ito yung supply na guys sa protect. Yan sa relay. And then yung preamp, I mean driver niya guys. And then meron siyang guys, balance input, tsaka yan, potentiometer po yan guys. Tsaka ito yung balance input. Yan. Tsaka temporary lang yan guys. C5198. Yan. Wala pa kasi akong guys, heatsink. Temporary lang yan. Yan, nasa kabila. 1943. Tsaka patugtugin ko to guys later. Yan yung transformer guys. Ilan kayang yan guys, amperahe? Yan, mga 10 ampere or 12. Yun guys, ang linis ng board. SOCL 506 plus. Yan guys, pina-plug ko na guys yun. Tutunog na to guys. Meron na yung power, tsaka cellphone lang yung ginamit ko guys. Yan guys, yun. Tutunog na yan guys. Lagyan ko muna ng temporary na volume. Ikot guys. Tutunog. Maganda naman yung guys, yung tunog niya. Tunog na siya guys. Yan yung speaker guys. Bob Audio 1000 watts 15 inch. I'll never stop my wandering. Yun. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Yes. yung input guys, temporary
And
lang
all
yan.
I've got to show is the muscle in my own.
Yun. And yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Thank you.